Alright, I'm going to attempt to show you how to pack these. And I say that because I got to set this camera down. It's really pretty simple. If you've never done it, you really just don't know the trick. They have a deal that you can buy to pack them with, but it's really easy just to do by hand. I'll show you how to do that. Get this camera sitting here in this deal. But you just get some grease, pretty good amount like that, and put it in the bottom of your hand, palm of your hand like that. Then you grab this bearing right here, and see the side of it is kind of open right there. And you just grab it and you just keep doing that over and over, and see how it's pushing the grease through the bearing. See it coming through the other side. Then you turn the bearing a little bit, do some more. You just keep doing that all the way around. Alright, I'm going to stop this video without attempting not to get grease on my camera.